Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture of Module 4 Autodesk Revit. In this module, we'll be talking about some modifications in wall modeling. First will be placing the architecture wall. We type a dialog box appears like this. Then click a duplicate. Okay, then go to structures edit. Dialog box appears and see a preview here. We'll be changing the material first. You see a brick wall. Then if you want some more layers on this, click on insert, another layer appear, and then if you want it above the core boundary, then click on up so that it moves up, and I'll keep this as 20. Thickness should be, I'll keep this as 10. Finally, I'll create another layer below the core boundary, so you know the stuff. This again, you see two layers above and below. I'll change this. I'll keep a random material here again. So now here we have some wrapping settings here. We have some wrapping settings here. So I'll show some. If you click on here at ends and click exterior, you can see the concrete wall has been, the section has been changed, modified. If you click on interior, same happens with the interior wall. So below one is the interior and the above one is the exterior. So that is the command at ends and exterior and interior. Usually keep it as none. I'll show you the difference. Click on OK and again OK. I'll click on realistic view 3D. You can see this. And I'll show you the other one also, then you'll find the difference. So to edit it, select the to edit type and then edit structures, and then you need to do the interior. Now this happened because both are the same structure. If I make changes on this, same change will apply on this. You need to make sure that you need to duplicate the element in order to change the property. So every time you need to change the properties, make sure you make the duplicate. So I didn't use duplicate, so that's why we can see the same properties shifted. I create a duplicate again and duplicate this, then edit type, and then now you can see the difference. So you can see the difference. Here the exterior part is covered on the top. That's the section, and here the interior part is covered on the top. That's the difference between exterior and interior wrap. So that's that. And now I'll show the different types of joints which are available while creating a wall. So if I go to this wall and then go to joints here, wall joint, then you can see that we have three types of joints available. So this is the butt joint. And if I click on meter here, then you can see the joint type changes. This is the difference between butt and meter joint. So whereof we can't find the difference here. That's the difference between butt and meter joint. The example here. We'll be using some incline section. Now, so we'll go select this and go to view joint, wall joints option, and then once you click the joint and then click on city button, see the joint, and if you click on square, I'll see the difference here. You can see the difference here clearly, the difference between butt joint, meter joint, and square. So these are the types of joints. This is about the modeling of earth.